Brian, but it's a mirror.
It's a
hold
it's a
on,
mirror
hold on.
photo of Brian.
I got a great idea real quick.
I got a Glock in my
Wait, Brian. A great
Yes.
idea.
What?
Is it like more food?
Fuck?
Wait, no. I think he wants to invent
Bob,
more
why you
food.
keep thinking about food?
He wants to get
What's
a.
up with you and food?
What's with you in your stomach?
Oh my god.